Step 1. After unpacking the feeder, install the bracket according to the tutorial. Step 2. Install the tape and reel on the bracket. Step 3. Install the tape according to the video operation. Please lift the pressure plate upwards. Step 4. Pull the film back directly and install it into the gear according to the specified path. Step 5. Confirm the thickness of the tape exceeds 0.8 mm or not. This is the 0603 capacitor with a thickness of 0.8 tape. Pull it by hand and you can see that the tape is stuck. Use a 1.5 mm hexagonal screwdriver to rotate counterclockwise and lift the pressure plate to loosen the tape. The 0402 resistor tape is less than 0.8 mm, which can be used directly. Step 6. Install the feeder into the feeder bank. Align the positioning hole and the slot, and push it in directly. You must press down the feeder to remove it out. Step 7. Adjust the feeding pitch. Press the red button for 3 seconds. The screen displays P, and release the button. Under mode P, you can adjust the feeding pitch. The corresponding value is the corresponding feeding pitch. Press the red button to save. Click the red button to enter the F mode for feed position adjustment. After reaching the correct position, release the button to automatically save. The best feed position is when the next component just exposes the edge, as shown on the screen.